is my package. Good afternoon. Everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Vlogmas 2. Hey, it's the 4th of July today. 4th of July? It's the 4th of December today, you guys. Today is Monday. Let me be sure. Yes, it's Monday today and it's the 4th of July and I'm really excited for what this month has in stock. I usually stay at home on Monday except I have bookings, personal bookings that I have to take. If not, Monday is usually the day that I rest. It's usually my weekend basically. Okay, so I'm chilling at home today. I'm not sure what the day is going to look like, but I love the set I'm wearing. But I have a couple of things to do. I need to organize my house because my house is always, you know, scattered. Now we have a little one in the house. It's not like she's scattering the thing, but you know, we're trying to make her very comfortable. Anyway, I have to organize the house. I already organized the room so they will feel comfortable. I need to organize the sitting room and I need to figure out what to cook today because I don't want to be stranded throughout the week. Okay, I've been trying to save money on food. I've not been buying food. I've not been using my money to buy food. So I've been making food and carrying to work. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. By the way guys, I have something very exciting. I just went downstairs to pick it up from the delivery guy. Bought a vacuum from Oraimo. I've always wanted to buy a vacuum for my house, but you know, I didn't really know which one to buy, and then I saw one on Oraimo and I saw the reviews. I read the reviews online. They had up to 800 plus reviews and most of them were really good, so I decided to just buy it. Plus they were doing sales, so I bought it for 65k. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys, but before I do that I need to eat something and yeah, finish some editing before I get to the unboxing. But yeah, let's eat. This is just maple syrup. You guys, I'm actually feeling very sleepy. Okay, I have my pancakes here. I'm just going to drizzle some maple syrup on it. It's late in the afternoon, by the way. It's almost 3 o'clock. I think after eating I'll just sleep and then come back and unbox with you guys. Let's do this. There you go.
Wow! Can you help me put the doll in the box? Put it in, put it in, put it in. Now the doll's in the box again. The doll's in the box. You did it!
Okay, you guys, wow, let's unbox this package that I got from Oraimo. Sorry, that I bought from Oraimo. Okay, let's open this up. I hope you guys can see me, sha. Let's see. This is the battery. I don't know what this is. Ooh, I'm trying to figure out how to assemble this. So I'm looking at the manual. Let's see. I'm really excited because I've always wanted a vacuum cleaner for the longest time. I finally got one for myself. Like, hey, you guys will not hear. People will not stop hearing about it. Oh, okay. Insert the metal tube into the vacuum body until you hear a click. So let's see. So this part goes into this. Yeah, actually, my bad. This part goes into until you hear a click. Perfect. And then this part goes in here. Perfect. Okay. This is pretty easy to assemble. Wait. It's freaking working. You guys, I just finished unboxing my vacuum cleaner. Why am I even wearing this shirt? I need to change my outfit because I'm trying to go for the walk. What am I gonna wear? You need to carry a bag. Me? Okay. Let's change our outfit. I bet I'm the best one. Sugar soon I just have to say and I'm gonna head there. Okay. I did not feel that's not a story. Oof. I think I've been lagging behind with this my walk. The last time I went for my walk was on Wednesday. That was like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5 days ago, and that is not allowed because I'm trying to lose more weight. Okay, and I really want to make this a lifestyle. Actually, last week my period came, so actually that's not even supposed to be an excuse because in October I did not have no freaking excuse. I did my walk for 30 days straight. Whether I was on my period or not, it did not affect anything. So why am I having excuses now? Okay, let me change my top and I'll be right back. And this is what I'm wearing. I really love this. I've started showing off my back, you guys. I'm not even joking because my back has reduced drastically. Okay, let me wear this and I'll show you guys. Okay, let's move back a little bit. This 64 feet. So I think I'm ready. Mama, we are coming. Oh Lord, I'm supposed to be vlogging with my phone as well. Okay, I'll see you guys when I come back. I'll probably get some clips on my way, but you know, plus let's launch this today. What you think? What you think? Okay, let's go. Whew. I am 57 minutes in and almost 10,000 steps in as well. I'm actually at 9,400 and I'm really enjoying this walk, and I'm enjoying these new headphones. Like, you know how like it irritates my skin when I have like the ones that you can plug into your ear, do you get? But this one is just resting on my entire ear, and the sound coming from it is just very nice, and it's not making me feel uncomfortable. The only thing is I had to take off my earrings, but aside from that, I really love it, and I'm enjoying these headphones. But I'm going to complete my walk now, and I will see you guys when I get to the house, because I need to start running, because I also incorporated running into my routine. So I run for a bit and I walk for a bit as well. So that's how I alternate my my walks basically. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the house, because it's actually quite dark and I'm not sure if you guys can see me. So yeah, we'll talk later. Bye. Hi my loves. Hi. So I have finished my walk. I think we did about, let's see, 12,000 plus steps today. I'm really tired. I actually came back like 30 minutes ago, so I've just been resting, and I was gisting with Cynthia as well, so I decided to come on here and update you guys. By the way, my mirror has, not like the mirror has spoiled. I was showing you guys the other day when Michael installed my lights on the mirror. I don't know why he stopped working, so I don't know. I've been trying to call him, his number is not reachable. Even my table that he made for me said don't spoil. Anyway, hopefully I'm able to reach him soon so he'll come and fix them. And I need to buy new slippers, because this one, I don't know if you guys can remember when I vlogged these slippers when I got it, when I traveled home in September. But the slippers don't tear. So I need to get a new slippers, but I'm thinking of getting this same one as well in a different size, maybe a size 40 or 41. Let's see if it's going to work for me. But yeah, somebody told me on Snap today that my body is coming together. I don't even understand what that means, but I'll take that as a compliment, you guys. Okay, anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me go take a shower and go to sleep. You guys, I've been enjoying these headphones, by the way. So cool, love it. And when I'm running, it's not shaking, it's not moving, you know. I like how convenient and comfortable it is. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Ciao, bye bye.